Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Pootown, or 15 miles north of Westchester. 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Westchester, Norristown, Pottstown, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Coatesville, Youngstown, Greensboro, Collegeville, Royersford, Jenkintown, Narberth, and Trapp. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 343. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 30. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 338. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 5 and 19. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 9. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, Delaware, and Montgomery.